didn't like it. For every like that you give me, Bank of America sheds tears.
Don't get your pants up in a square knot, SpongeBob.
Huh? Look at this. Listen, I'm in the area. This is where I grew up, so I figured I'd do a couple of videos. This one is gonna be on assignment purchasing. This is what a lot of people mistakenly think, that I have to go to auction, I have to be there in person. Saying that would be like saying that you have to buy stock in your backyard to be successful. I live in California. I have never bought a tax lien or deed in California. As a very dear mentor of mine said, if you want to hunt for ducks, you go where the ducks are, right? So what's assignment purchasing is this. There are tons of tax lien certificates that are left over after the end of the sale. What do I mean by tons? Hundreds of thousands. Okay, let me give you an example of one county. There's Cook County out there that has anywhere from 50 to 80,000 tax lien certificates every single year. Okay, in fact, right now they've got more than they ever have had before. They have so many left over, tens of thousands left over that nobody bought, that they have to have every other year what they call a supplemental sale or a scavenger sale, that you can go in there and literally buy a tax lien certificate for the opening bid, 18% every 6 months, mandated by Illinois state law. Love this country. Okay, so I'm going in there now. This is how it works. Okay, they got all these thousands of tax lien certificates. How could they possibly have so many tax lien certificates? Understand that all the tax liens that go up for sale, whether they sold or not, is only 0.5% of inventory. But that little fraction that doesn't sell, the county's like, we've kind of done a good job. So there's not really an office for this. It's kind of like you got to find it in the back way, you know? So things like OTC, assignment purchase, over the counter, foreclosable liens. This is a tax lien certificate that went to sale, nobody bought it, but it went through the redemption period, still sitting in inventory, and you're going, oh my goodness, here's a 2018 lien that I can buy and foreclose on it right now. Let me explain the benefits. If I buy a tax lien certificate for $500, I've got a 2-year redemption period on it. Okay, I gotta wait 2 years. But if I buy a foreclosable tax lien certificate for $500, I get a foreclose on it immediately. That doesn't mean I'm gonna get the property. That means my odds of getting the property, you guessed it, go up. So 20 tax lien certificates, I'm probably gonna be redeemed on 20 tax liens. 20 foreclosable tax lien certificates, I've seen as many as those 50% don't redeem. So I don't know if you're catching a clue, but this is where those of you that don't have a lot of capital to get started with might wanna think about this a little bit. Okay, so there's inventory. You got to find the inventory. You got to talk to these people. You got to have some, AP form letters. Look at my team is specialized in this for 25 years. Okay, I do probably 80% of my deals like this. Actually, in 2019, I did most of them at the auction, but we're going back to this now that things have opened up here. And it's just phenomenal what you can do with that. Recap on this: we're talking about leftover tax lien certificates, buying them from county inventory. You've got assignment purchase, you've got OTC, and you've got the big profitable foreclosable tax lien certificates. This is Saen Higgins. Like, subscribe. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs up. That's a reverse way of telling me you really didn't like it. Actually, for every like that you give me, Bank of America sheds tears. It's a scientific fact. I only do with science here, okay? Hit the like button and you'll enjoy it. This is Saen Higgins at the beautiful Golden Gate saying, rock on.